Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just getting started. Hope everybody's had a good week so far. Back up to 720 zone. gonna come all the way down to 560. Risky. was really juicing this morning. It's gonna go back up to 720. Hey, Shadow Master. I stream every day. Well, not every day. Monday through Friday. Thanks for the follow. Hey, DeFi. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Fat ends on. I haven't seen Fat End in a while. I got on this when it was IPOing. I don't know what to do here. Right, what are you gonna do? Choose a direction. The 702 level. Now let's see if it'll go back up to 771. Just going sideways. Fat end, what are you doing? GIH is just going sideways. GMH is still the runner of the day. It's going sideways. Let's do it.
Good morning, friends. How are you, Eddie?
Good. How are you?
How was your long day trip out yesterday?
Oh, miserable, but you know, got to do what you got to do.
Yeah. And did you get all good news? Are you a fine specimen?
Yep. Yep.
Yep, excellent. That's what we wanted to hear.
No worries there. Next week I had to go out again, but this time it's for my mom.
No, okay.
SCRB serve robotics getting a pop to the high on light volumes, $13.15.
Is it the same distance, Eddie? Same long day
Yeah.
out?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Could you not have gone taking your mum same day?
No, they didn't have matching appointments.
Oh gosh. Oh, that is tough when it's such a long day.
Yep. We typically
Yeah,
try to get them done at the same time. But
yeah, yeah. Well, you're gonna miss making your millions next week as well, then.
yeah. Yeah, next Wednesday.
Same day, is it? Wednesday? Oh no, it was
No,
yesterday.
this one was Thursday. Next
Yeah,
one,
yeah, yeah.
next week is Wednesday.
Coming up at 1 p.m. today, the Baker Hughes U.S.
How'd your trades go yesterday?
I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't see anything worth risking the $8 I have,
Ah,
so I didn't take anything. I was here chatting with everyone in the round table, but yeah, I didn't bother. I didn't get my credits, so still haven't got another account. I might have taken a trade yesterday if I'd have had another account. Just there was nothing that was, when you've only got $8. Well, I don't think it's even $8. Let me have a look. No, it's not even $8. It's $6. $6. $6.60 7. So yeah, that's tough.
Yeah.
To find something. I mean, there were,
ESPR,
there were
aspirin
trades,
partner Otsuka, received
um,
regulatory approval to
but
market
I thought, well,
Nexletol in Japan
how
to
likely am I
treat
to get anywhere with those?
hypercholesterolemia. That VXRT.
Yeah, so we had quite a
MDT,
gathering in here
Medtronic, secured
yesterday.
FDA approval for
Yeah. Nice.
Althea
Yeah,
device
yeah,
to
so it was
transform
nice.
urge
Can you hear my
urinary
news
incontinence
feed?
treatment. That's Michael
Yes.
Delta Tango.
Oh, okay.
MDT.
Hmm. Don't see a way of turning it down
SPRY.
without stopping it, which I don't want to stop it.
Neffy, approved in Japan as first and only needle-free emergency treatment of allergic reactions or anaphylaxis. That's Sandy Papa Romeo Yankee. SHAK, Shake Shack, set to open in Hawaii
No.
in
So
2027
what
with
I'll
a
do
Wahoo
is
location.
I'll
That's Sandy Hotel Alpha Kilo.
turn the computer down slightly.
VRCA, Verica.
How's that? Any better?
I still hear it, but it's much quieter.
Yeah, yeah. It's part of Trading Terminal. It's the Bazinga News Squawk.
Oh.
So I thought I'd turn it on and listen because it's interesting. You hear these things pop up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heard good things about Benzinga Squawk.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's funny. Back when it was free, it was right when I sort of started using it. It used to be on there, and then they had to stop it because apparently, Bazinga said, we charge quite a lot for our news feed, and you're giving it out for free. um, So, I mean, obviously they were paying for it, but it was on the free platform. So that became, it was no more, but now it's paid. I guess they're allowed to do it now. Good morning, Dooye. How are you? Did you come back yesterday? I'm not sure. I can't hear you if you're talking. And I think you stepped away to go on your laptop, and I was loading up my demo. And then when I went to load it up, it had been deactivated, so I had to get that sorted out. And don't think I saw you come back, but did you manage to sort out your order issues? If you're talking, I can't hear you, but I hope you did manage to sort of figure that out from what we talked about. So we were, just so you know what I'm talking about there, Eddie. Dewey and I were talking about how to place, orders in the pre-market.
Ah.
And because I was in my funded, I didn't want to actually demonstrate in case I accidentally took a trade and just, demonstration purposes. So I said, oh, I described as best I could, and then I said, I tell you what, I'll load up my demo account, which is why I've got it. And then when I went to load it up, they've turned it off, even though it's meant to be a permanent demo. So I had to get onto them, and funnily enough, they fixed it immediately just over the live chat, reactivated it. So I loaded it up, came back, and to show Doogie how to do it by, me actually showing it being done on the charts. So yeah, that's what we're talking about there.
Well, it's good they got it fixed quickly.
Yeah, yeah.
Now they can have that same speed with credits.
Yeah. Well, I was so tempted to say no whilst I'm on chat. Hi, do you? No, we can't hear you, unfortunately. Can you hear us? Type in the chat if you can. Yeah, so we had Dewey, we had Jeffrey, Parker was back from holiday, so he was back. Vivian,
It's nice.
Joy, Pert came in, but I'd stepped away, and by the time I came back, he'd gone because I didn't answer him. I think it was just me and him at that point. No taquito. Oh no, do you can't hear us? Oh dear.
Oh,
Hey, we can hear you.
hi Eddie.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, so I'm connected with my phone, so you can hear me now. But for some
Oh,
reason, when I connect with my laptop, I don't know. For some reason, you can't hear me. Uh,
are you using the web version or the app when you're on your laptop? And for some reason, I
yeah,
can't get my web version to work. So, although I use the web version for actually browsing the Discord, when I'm in here, like now, I use the app. And Tim
yeah,
and I spent ages working on it and just, I could never get it to work for some reason.
yeah. I'm using the app as well. I tried the
Oh,
web, and I'm using the app as well.
you're using the
Uh,
app, right? Oh, okay. And I don't know then, aside from what Eddie suggested.
and okay, Eddie suggested check my voice and audio setting. Make sure the right audio devices are selected.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You'll
I think I
have
did
a
that, but
input and
let me try.
output device. Sometimes they get thrown off.
Uh,
Did you manage to figure it out anyway? Do you? The order entry thing. Hey, do you? If you're talking, we can't hear you. Um, not sure if you are, but if you are, we can't hear you. And maybe you can't hear us. So you can't hear me saying we can't hear you.
It's possible.
Absolutely. Have you traded yet, Eddie?
I have taken one trade on that end, and it was a loss, $34 loss. I am currently in AGMH long. Um, it's not sure what it wants to do, so I'm up, then I'm down, then I'm up, then I'm down.
Yeah. What's moving this? See any news on it? AGMH. Uh,
I have news 7 days ago they entered into an equity transfer agreement for the sale of AGM HK.
okay. So yeah, stocks in focus, and I'm just looking at this on trading terminal. I'm not quite sure the date on this. Hang on. Searched. "120% after revealing that AGM's subsidiary in Hong Kong finalized the sale of Nanjing Lucan Semiconductor Company to Hong Kong Giant Electrics Company for 57.45 million on May the 7th. But when was that news? Yeah, it just it's in the stocks in focus listing, so presuming it's today. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, at 6:10 market time, apparently.
Kashkari says it's possible that cutting these short-term rates will not translate into lower long-term rates.
AGMH is juicing for me.
Juicing, eh?
Juicing.
Yeah, it sure is. When did you get in?
672.
Oh, nice. Where's your target?
856.
Why 856?
Just a good number.
Oh, really? Just a good number? That's a very random number. Now, you know, if Chiquito was here, he wouldn't accept that answer, don't you?
Yeah. I figure 850 is psychological resistance.
Oh, he
And
wouldn't
it'll
like
probably go up a little bit more before it drops back down. So
it.
856.
He wouldn't like that answer either. The daily 165 is at 941. If that's of interest. And there is
I
a
will move my take profit there.
there's a massive liquidity gap on the monthly at right where we are now. Starts at 735 and spreads all the way to 1610.
Nice.
So, maybe redraw that actually because got that a little bit wrong there. Now, having said that, that gap has been slightly touched, but usually that doesn't affect the extreme higher time frames. Let's have a look. So the next one on the weekly, same thing almost. Correct there on the monthly, yeah. Daily. Okay, interesting. Do you look at the higher time frames, Eddie, or not?
I have not.
Okay.
I don't know how to mark things up on the chart. So I haven't looked at higher time frames to mark things out. I switch between 1 and 3 minute. But
What do you mean you don't? Do you mean you don't know how to use Trading View, or you don't know why to do it?
both.
Oh, okay. Well, when you've got time, when you're not trading, I can show you how to do that on Trading View if you're interested.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the why is so that when you've marked the monthly and the weekly, particularly those two, but the others as well, you can see it on your lower time frame as well because it'll still be there. And
Gotcha.
they tend to be stronger. If I had a target that was above one of those, I would be expecting a reaction if there was a monthly liquidity gap there. And just so happens here there's a weekly as well in this case. So it runs from 7:25. Oh, I've already told you that, haven't I? So the weekly one is inside that monthly one, and it's only like 30-cent difference. That one starts at like 7.80. Oh, 60-cent difference. So yeah, we can do that. And if we don't get to it today, we can do it tomorrow, can't we? In open house.
Yes.
Yeah, so that'd be fun. It's already well inside that liquidity gap, so maybe the daily 165 is where it's at.
Yeah, I've got my take profit set at the daily 165. I moved it up from the 856,
Yeah,
but
yeah, good.
856 would have been good because it only went to 861,
Yeah,
which tells me the market reads my mind.
it does. It does. Definitely. Still the only one on the day, though, really, isn't it? Well, I mean, there's
Yep.
ATMV, but let's have a look. What else have we got? Let's have a look on the 24-hour. That might tell a different story. Not really. 12-hour. Not really. Nothing high. Nothing. We're already past what I would have marked up. Okay, so you've got a zone here on the 4-hour. The middle of it is right now at 871. So not to say it's going to come down there, but well, it probably will. But of course, it might go back up there. But yeah, there's a big fat zone there that spans from 749 to 996. The middle of it is 873.
Just spilled my drink. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. He's still in the trade.
Yeah, but I'm thinking I should get out.
Well, you're very green on it. So what was I just saying there? Yeah, so there's a gap on the 4-hour, which is not a gap. Sorry, a zone, not a gap. Which it has just rejected off, but that's to be expected.
See what it does here. It's 742. There's a zone at 738 that should be invalidated, but
You're on the 3-minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. so you've got that cell zone now at 8:01.
Yeah.
If we look on the 30-minute, if we pretend I have not got my weekly and monthly, yeah, so on the 30-minute, there was a zone right where we are now. The middle of it is right where we are now, and it squeezed higher, but then there's another one up at 984. I was trying to find that on the 3-minute, see if there's some unfinished business here, but I don't think I've got enough data to go back to it on the 3 anyway. No, try the 5. Okay, this might be interesting. Let's have a look. On the 5, I can't see. Need to be able to zoom it even more to get more candles. On the 5, it's already gone past that one. Yeah, so I see a zone at 827. Can't tell if it's been taken care of because I can't zoom out far enough. If it's been taken care of previously, I mean. Are you out?
Yeah. It continued to go down.
Let's look. I think I need these plans that show more bars. 10-minute, not on the 10-minute. Now on the 15-minute, I know you're out of trade now, but just out of interest, what did you say your target was that you had no reason for? You just
856.
856. Well, this will make you chuckle. There's a liquidity gap on the 15-minute at 845. Good, isn't it? And if I'm looking at it, it does look untouched so far. Oh, wow, where did it go? Look at that. It went to 867. That's interesting.
I think the high is 861.
I've got 867 on TradingView.
It's
What have
weird.
you got? Yeah, we've got something quite different, haven't we, on TTP? We've got I've got 860. High 867. Yeah, it definitely says 867.
Restart my trading view.
Yeah, wonder if yours says the same as mine, because yours is the free plan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still shows 861.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. That's interesting. let's see what trading terminal shows. $8.60. Yeah, gosh, who knows? This is the problem when you don't know what's correct, isn't it? I mean, I know we're
Yeah.
only talking about 7 cents here, but um, sometimes that could be significant. And I want to know why. I mean, why would you have a different price on the free plan versus the paid plan?
Mm.
No, I don't know either. So I thought the paid plan just gave me more indicators and more bars. You know, I can go back further in history, but I do have paid data. Um, but I remember Taquito saying something about the accuracy on the paid plan. I don't know. Quite in here today, Eddie. I think
Yeah, it is.
I think Doogie's given up.
He said he was asking Chat GPT.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah. I see it now. Yeah.
let's see if he gets it figured out. In. Got back in at 7:33.
Oh, for another long.
Yeah.
Yeah. 7:33. Where's your target?
Gonna be 801, 802.
Okay.
There's a zone there.
Uh-huh. Hey, it's working.
Yeah. Hoping it just goes right through the zone at 780, straight to 802.
Straight to 941. It
That
wants
would
it.
be nice.
That's what Taquito would say. It wants 941. Well, he might not say that. He might say, "Don't be ridiculous. It's getting nowhere near 941." Just stepping away for a few minutes.
Cool. Morning.
My finger. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. How we doing?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good. I am good. I'm good.
Yeah.
Making stupid choices, but yeah, I'll be okay.
Feel that.
Um, I don't know. I don't know what I don't know why I entered on. So I'm in AGMH right now on a short. I don't know what made me just enter out like this because this is not even like my setup. But I was watching the 5 minute chart here, and I was like, all right, cool. It broke through. It failed. We kind of have this somewhat of like a retest, but this thing is still above like, oh man, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I got in long at 7:33.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get taken out right quick. This is yeah, I did not mean to do all this. Yeah, this this not even there was no lower lows, no nothing. This is what you're talking about, just doing stupid things and losing money for no reason. So
Yeah, it happens.
okay. Yeah, but it shouldn't be happening. I literally like I'm sitting here and I'm just like, why did I even do that? Like what? I wasn't even yeah, that could cost you. So also I'm in open. I'm in open overnight at 10 and um I want to see what this does at market open. I want to see what this does at market open. I thought we would maybe be up past previous close, which is at 10:20,
Yeah.
but or I think it's like 10:20, like two or something like that. But I don't know, for some reason we get to that level. Like yesterday, we was at that level. We could not stabilize and get over it whatsoever. So I'm hoping that there is a solid push through because yesterday we had this flush down and we wasn't able to pop like it's been doing. Um, these the last couple days. So, or maybe this is just the end of the run. I don't know, but this consolidation, the way that it's popped back, not once but twice. It did it the day before, where we had that huge drop and it popped back to this level here, and then we had this minor drop and we popped back to the same level.
Is Open still a meme stock? And they still hyping it on Twitter?
I'm I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just going by the chart, what the chart's telling me.
Right.
If you look at the daily chart on that, um, they gapped it up, but we've had 4 days of consolidation on this within that gap. So normally, like when you have something that gaps up like this, it usually comes back down. Okay, so for instance, I could show you right quick on what I mean. Let me see if I share my screen right quick. What chart is it? It's this one. Okay. So if you're looking at my screen here, you see how on this first pop up, initial pop up right here, we
Yep.
gapped up, right?
Right.
And then we gapped up again one more time, and then all of a sudden we had this red day. Now after this red day, it gave back whatever this gap up was. It gave it all back. Gap down, consolidated, gap down, and then we just kind of the volume just kind of died off, right? And
Yep.
then we had an up run, and then all of a sudden here goes the second run. There goes the second one right there. Now we break, right? We stayed right here at the very top. We break, we go up, red day. But you see how this candle was provided and we didn't give none of that back. We consolidated for those 2 days and then we continued to run.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about right here. We never gave any of that back. So just like this up here, we gapped up, right? We're not giving this stock is not giving none of this back. So I'm thinking that the situation that happened yesterday, the shorts are not able to get in, like bring this back down whatsoever. So I do feel that we're gonna have I don't know, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but I'm hoping today um that we have another run.
Are you in
Maybe to
long?
Yeah, I'm in long. So I'm hoping maybe we get a run to maybe 12, 1250, 1270. I don't know about 13. 13 might be a stretch, but hey, can't I really can't say it's a stretch considering that I watched Pony go from 4 to what did it go to, like 20 23?
I can't
So
remember.
yeah, so let's see, PONY on this initial run.
388.
Yeah, I went to 2388. Or no, I'm sorry, from this right here. 4 all the way, yeah, all the way to 21. So for $4, all the way to 21. So, it could happen.
Right.
Um, so with that, I want to see what happens today with it. But I am in on it long. Um, the shorts are getting shorter, so we'll see. And I do have my trend line right here from the previous top. So annoying. Yeah. And it's right there at that trend line. So I want to see what happens at open if we're able to pop through. I do have my risk set right here at 75 or 979, but I have it at 975 just for a complete um so it doesn't wick me out. But yeah, so those are my main two watch for today.
Yeah.
Um
Hopefully they juice it and it keeps running.
yeah, yeah. So, and then I'm gonna if it does, I am gonna go ahead and add when we get to like this 1070. I'm trying my best to be patient. I want to take like 10 here and then go, but I have 1,000 shares. I'm okay with that. We get to 1070, I'll have an average of probably like 1040, and then I'll be looking if we can break this 1087. I'll probably be looking for um, to at least like 1250 maybe.
What was your entry?
$10 right now. Yeah. So we'll see. And if not, then oh well, this thing is dead. Because it already retested the highs. Wasn't able to get back to it. So if this trend line is correct, it might touch it, and then it just might continue to fall, and hype might be over with. And let me go back to. Hey, Pare. Good morning.
Good day.
Oh yeah, good day. Good day. See,
Yeah.
Val got me doing that. I blame
What?
Val. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
forgetting. I
Good
got to get back
day.
on track.
Good
yeah.
day.
Well, that doesn't even have morning.
Yeah, I blame Val.
Yeah. Yeah.
Val, you took so long to come back. I wanted to show you HSDT yesterday. Did you see what happened on that?
Oh
Did it
yes,
dry?
we were talking about it, weren't we? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Sorry, by the time I came back, everyone had gone.
yeah. No, I told Vivian, I was like, yeah, you can just tell Val I waited 30 minutes.
Sorry. I know I said be right back and then I just didn't come back.
No, so
And not until everyone had gone anyway.
yeah, no, I just wanted to show you that, and that's the reason why like I don't like those stocks there. I tend to kind of wait for those. Um,
Yeah.
just because they do stuff like that, and it has no volume whatsoever. So to find a red day for these stocks is like trash, just trash. I can't even make up like anything for it. It's just trash.
Yeah. Yeah. It was that was interesting. Interesting talk on that.
Mhm.
Did I just hear you say you're long?
On open, yeah, yeah.
But you don't do longs.
I
Are
know,
you
I
are
know,
you
but
really Parker? Is this really
I know,
Parker?
but that
You have an imposter.
I have to test out. I have to test out my thesis on open, especially with this consolidation. I've seen this too many times where like you get these areas where they consolidate and go. Just like I was showing Eddie, the first time it's not giving back its gains whatsoever. It's actually holding up the gains. So I truly believe that we have another go. And we're talking about 5 days. We're talking about 5 days. It's been near that high. So
If you win big on this, because I'm in a swing on this in my personal account.
okay,
So I hope your long thesis is correct.
yeah,
For
yeah.
sure.
I hope so too, because
Yeah.
um,
Still need to break the nearly even 11 to be good.
yeah,
And there's the week at 11:32 too, so that would be an issue.
It's still getting quite heavily pumped on X, so just be careful whatever you do with it from a day trading perspective, because it's been either wild or choppy. It's not
right.
had for a while.
Oh,
It's
it's not
not
choppy.
really had any
It moves really
nice.
good.
Say again, Pari.
It moves really good. It's not choppy.
Oh no, part it's choppy.
It is choppy.
No,
It
It
is. did.
No,
Say
Pari,
on
you come
Wednesday.
from the large cap, so
Yeah,
it
but
to
I
you it
traded that
moves
on.
smoothly.
I took that on Wednesday, and it moves so smooth. I can show you. Look at this.
No, let me see. Oh, let me stop my live. I'm going slow.
Oh wait, where's the Wednesday? It's over here. So this is not choppy.
Well, no, that's okay. That's not choppy, and
This is a,
you caught a good move of this chart here, but look at the
And
rest.
yeah,
Look at the rest from yesterday and see how it moved. That's chop.
yeah,
yeah,
but yesterday was not trading that because it was inside day. So you don't trade this if it's inside day. Then they
yeah.
make this and more. So this should be
Well,
out of the list, not to even look at it.
no, so you're right about that. But go to the daily chart. Let me show you what I was talking about on the daily chart.
Yeah, but on the daily, I don't have it on my list because it's inside day today.
Okay.
It
You
needs
you
to
see
break
you
all
see
this.
that
It
If you
needs
look
to
at
have a
it
break.
on the daily overall, it's just been
right.
chopping around in
That
that.
that's that's sideways action.
Yeah,
But look how yesterday that we stayed so close to the near highs right there. I
Yeah,
thought
but that's
yesterday
because
that we would have
this.
had a pop after the 3 days or 4 days of consolidation. I thought yesterday we would have had a pop. I didn't think that we were going to go sideways on this.
Yeah, but that's why I'm telling you that you should look at this open only if this breaks this
Yeah,
1080 or something
yeah.
on the daily, because all this, the Qs made the same about 1 month ago. There was a big green candle, and then it's for these inside candles. So
Oh, there
every
goes the flush.
step
Oh,
over
whoa,
here,
whoa, whoa,
that's
whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Dang, am I getting flushed out?
no,
Oh, is this
no,
is this the 8 o'clock?
no. You've passed that. It's 9 o'clock. If you're
yeah,
looking
but
at
now open has
open,
volume.
if you're looking at open, you're above your entry. Or
What just happened? What just happened on that? That's crazy.
Corey, when did you trade this? On Wednesday, did you say?
Wednesday. Yeah,
What was that?
That's not Wednesday. That's Thursday. Yeah.
yeah, I took it over here because this is over here. You can see it why I took it, because this is a daily buy setup.
Mm-hmm.
I take this all this in my watch because the likelihood is if this is in a 2 minute or 5 minute candle, so it does this stair stepping up. So I go through my list from here, just looking for these buy setups. This is much better than a normal breakout like this, because this could be a fake breakout. But this buy setups just continues much better.
Jeez, that just scared the living mess out of me.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I guess we'll have to agree to disagree on the open thing there on Wednesday. You know, you've got candles on a $10 stock of, like, if you look at the 9, is this the 9 a.m.? Hang on Wednesday. This is, I mean.
I don't know. We look in a different thing. So I go with the price movement, and you look at these gaps and things. So you have
I'm just
totally different way to trade.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it in the pre-market. Look horrible.
Yeah, but I don't trade perimeters. I don't have pre-markets on my this scanner when I'm looking at it.
And then later on in the day, I mean, wow, look at that! Look at that big flush from 1081 down to 947. That's quite a lot for a $10 stock, I think, anyway. So I think it makes it pretty difficult to day trade in general.
Yeah, but now we are talking about Wednesday when the FOMC was.
Yeah, I thought you traded it on Wednesday, you said.
Yeah, but not on FOMC because all the market went this kind. If
Lost.
you see at the Qs,
I'm
Yeah,
lost.
well, yeah, but prior to that, it was just chopping around. I mean, sure, it looked great at the open, but once you got to
yeah, but
less than an hour after
you
the
have to
open,
remember I trade only 1 hour.
pardon?
I trade only the first hour, so
Yeah,
that's why
yeah.
I don't trade this after 1 hour because this happens often after the 1 hour.
Yeah.
This is the lunchtime, so this is the normal thing on large cap. So yeah, but whatever. And this was really the FOMC over here when you say that it's choppy. If you look at the Qs, so this whole mess is that.
I think it's been choppy for days.
I don't know why, but that just literally worked.
Okay, but I got my money from that.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's just that if you look at it, it is chopping around in a range and has been doing for days.
Range is not choppy. Range is range, and choppy means that it goes up and down, and then you don't have any read on that. In the range, so that's a range trade. You don't trade in the range. And unless you are range trader that you take it from the below and go to the up, but I don't think anyone does that anymore.
No, Pare, I think you're right about that. I don't think. I mean, obviously, you have traders. And we did. People do trade in the range, but
Yeah,
you got scalpers that trade in the range and stuff like that. But the hindsight of what I was trying to just say that yesterday it was at the highs. I didn't
yeah,
think
it could
that
have
we were
popped
going
over
to
there.
get
Yeah,
more chop after the recovery because yesterday that uptrend, that first hour, dude, that's not chop at all. That's a sign of strength on the long side. Yeah, we had that drop from 1087 down to 918. Yeah, what, a dollar and a half? Cool. But looking at this chart, it recovered that next hour almost half of that. And then pre-market comes, we get to 1070. And I thought maybe at this first candle, after we had that pre-market like flush, that it was gonna go. We had more chop, and I was just like, what is going on? Like you recovered half of this. Is that the top? Is that the retest? Like, okay, and then here comes this aftermarket, and I was looking at it, I was like, why are we still consolidating even though that we was not able to get back to the 1070s yesterday? Something has to give. So that's the reason why I'm in overnight from
Oh,
$10.
hey,
yeah, but
Parker,
open could
just
the
seeing
volume
what
is
you're
rising on the
talking
open.
about at 9 a.m. there, Parker. Wow. I didn't see it because I didn't actually have the chart up when you said what was going on there a few minutes ago.
Yeah,
That
that's
the
yeah.
volume should now be okay.
Wow.
And I had the level two up, so I'm looking at the level two, and the level two wasn't moving. So I'm like, whoa, is am I getting flushed out? What's going on? And now, I mean, it's stabilized now. So
Yeah, that's 1.2 million shares in that one candle.
Looks like they re-announced that news about the new C. Oh no, hang on, it's news of a new CFO. Thought it was re-announcing the same news, but that was at 9:04.
Yeah, so that candle, this happened. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that
This
happened
open
some
is
time ago.
tradable now. I would, if I could take it, I could take it 10:30. Stop order at my stop would be at 10. So with the 30-cent risk, I get my
Yeah,
2R if it goes to the 1080 or 1090. So
yeah.
yeah, but I have to leave to the other
Taking
side.
it.
So
Are you taking it, Pari?
no, I don't see any setup, and that's no buy setup on that. I said only
Oh,
buy setup. But
oh,
if it makes sense, so then I could.
I must have misunderstood you. Okay.
Yeah, but it has the room for me to take the two R now, even if it doesn't break the 11. So and this volume is really good that it has now on open. So I will have it on watch.
Yeah, well, I'm looking for it to go to the moon, so I'm
Hope it
okay.
goes,
Pardon?
hope it goes to the moon.
Yeah, it must. I was going to put my octopus back on the chart, and that's
No,
it.
market doesn't must anything. It
Pardon?
does it. Market do what it do.
No,
Doesn't must
it'll
do
see my
anything.
it'll see my octopus party, and it's just going to
No.
drag it right up there.
Oh, by the way, did you look at the video where is just this about this must that I link it you to and the strategies, I think, or was it mindset? There is
Sorry, what?
just the mindset about the hoping for big wins and that. So that's gambling.
What
Oh, that
stock?
hey, that's a true story. That is
Yeah,
a true
I
story.
put that mindset on the video or the thing on the mindset.
Oh, right. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so, yeah.
Well,
But I have to leave now. I will come
sorry,
back
what did you
after
say?
trading. I will come back after trading. I'll hop on to another side now.
Oh,
So
yeah. Okay. Okay, Pare. Thanks for coming. Good to see you.
yeah, bye.
Hey, Joy. You're off to carry out the plan. How's it
Yes,
going before you go?
slow, and
That's
it's so
okay.
tempting to do other things. But
Yeah.
it's so
Yeah.
tempting
Yeah.
that, but I'm not. I'm being disciplined. I'm just learning and watching.
Very nice.
Well, I am in trading view,
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
so paper trading,
Yep. Good.
but that's it. That's it. But I'm gonna scoot on out. I think where are my bear bulls? Yeah, that's where I am today. Thank you
Um,
again.
are you going with them? Joy, did you know that before you go, did you know that they do a pre-market live stream?
Uh, that's where I'm going back to.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, good, good, great. Yeah, that's often a really good listen. I learned a lot from them.
Yep. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Enjoy it. Yeah. See you soon. Are you around tomorrow?
No, no, the boys should get here sometime in the afternoon today, and I'll
Okay.
have them till tomorrow night.
Oh, okay. Well, if you get chance while they're sleeping, we'll be there as always, as you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, we'll see you Monday.
Yep. Thanks.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Have a good
Thanks,
day.
Joy.
Have a
Yeah.
good one.
Good to see you.
I will. You all do too.
Hey, Jeffrey. Good morning. Right. Come on, everyone. Let's get open pumped up. Come on. Let's do it. How does how do they do it, Parker? This pumping.
Oh man,
I
they
know. I
get
gosh.
they 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 get a group of Twitter people.
or not in this list. Well, you mentioned the semis off that top of my list.
I don't. Joy doesn't realise that she's still here. I think. Uh, Joy, if you can still hear us, we're
Yeah.
still here. In case you, I don't know if you were. I mean, it's great if you're still here. Oh, she's gone now. Yeah, she clearly didn't realise she was still here. We all know how that feels when you've got your mic open and you don't realise
Yeah.
you're still there. Yeah. Yeah, well, Eric Jackson's thesis on Open Door, I don't know if you've been following him since I mentioned it to you, Parker.
Hmm.
I mean, he's been talking about it to anyone who will listen all over YouTube, on these news channels, and on Twitter, of course. His thesis on it is $82. Not today, obviously.
Right.
But yeah, he's really trying hard to pump it up. And because apparently he called out CVNA, Carvana, long before it moved, I think that's why it's probably what he's saying is getting some traction,
Yeah.
and other stocks as well, I believe. IREN, is it? Can't remember the others anyway, but yeah.
Okay. Oh,
How are we all doing on AGMH if we are?
I got out, stopped out.
Oh, okay. We say, did we find some news on this?
yeah.
Apart from
They reported they reported revenue.
what today?
I don't know if it was today. I was looking, but AMG Group
Oh
Holdings.
no, this was the one we talked about with that sale, wasn't it, Eddie?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so this is old.
Yeah. Don't we do
7 days
news?
ago.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure on the date on this.
I don't know. It says here less than 24 hours ago. It says report stable revenue of 32 million with a net income of 3.4.
Well, if you look at the trading view chart, um, if it'll swap, yeah, their earnings. Oh, I don't see it on the chart. I only see May's. I just see that equity transfer agreement for the sale of AGMH. But then on Trading Terminal, I see that they revealed, they finalized the sale. AGM subsidiary in Hong Kong finalized the sale of Nanjing Lunken Semiconductor Company Limited to Hong Kong Giant Electronics on May the 7th. I don't know if that was sort of re-announced today. I'm not sure. Jeffrey left us. Oh no, you're still there, Jeffrey. I just couldn't see you on my screen. We can't hear you if you're talking at all, Jeffrey. Oh, zoos. Look. New stock.
IPO.
No, well, no, sorry, I meant new bloods. Oh, yeah, no, it looks like we've might have missed that. What's going on with that? Shareholders approved.
What was the news on that?
Shareholders approved previously announced 180 million private placement and Bitcoin Treasury Reserve strategy, and the news on that is today.
Oh, that's a pop up.
Yeah, but it seems like it's popped and failed.
Yeah, they normally do that. From 9 to 6, and then you probably have like a small flush. But then you'll capture all the shorts right here at the open, and it'll go right back up.
Yeah.
I'll keep
Oh,
this one on list too for later.
yeah, it's that
Um,
Bitcoin treasury thing, isn't it? That's of interest.
yeah,
Those
Yeah,
crypto plays always make it run.
yeah. Zeus.
Surprisingly, it hasn't died out yet.
I know because it was a thing a while ago when it died away, didn't it?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
We'll see.
Zeus.
I'll keep it up there. I'm gonna put it right there. Where we at? Like 10 minutes before open.
What's up, Luger? Yeah, we're up today.
Got my Starbucks and made it back. Good.
Oh, there you are. Remembered
Nice.
why you weren't speaking. You needed your coffee.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
like pacing around debating whether or not I should go, and I was like, you know what? Screw it. Let's just go. We have
Yeah.
time.
Trade without the coffee.
Mm-mm.
No, no. I
Can't
mean, for
function in
me,
general.
it's the middle of the afternoon for me. So, but yeah, if trading was first thing, definitely would need a good gallon or two of coffee.
Gallon.
Yeah, maybe not quite a gallon, but
Hey Parker, did you see Open Consolidated yesterday? Like basically all day.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm in it. I'm in it. I was just talking to them about that parlay. I'm in it at 10, um, and I'm looking. Hopefully we get this pop up past this 20 $25 area. Yesterday, after that first fail, we was not able, like, we consolidated and we was not able to get back up. So then we broke lower day at 79 and came right on back to that level. So I watched it closely, and it was literally consolidating aftermarket. I was like, dude, this thing is not going down. I'm wondering if we're gonna have another pop to try to retest this 1070. See if we can get
Yeah,
through
that's what
this,
I'm. Yeah,
or
1070 is definitely what I was looking at too.
yeah, um, or are we going to just kind of continue to flush down today? I have a trend line. I'm not really into trend lines, but looking at this over the past 5 days, you can tell that there someone is using the trend line method from all these tops here, because every time the trend line breaks, it pops. This one here, it came through, it broke through, like, and it just popped. So I'm wondering if that's what, like, they're using to make this thing go.
Well,
So I have it there. So
if we do push up, and if we don't push the 1070, the 1040 might be a nice push as well. Just because if we do reject off of 1040, just because there is just a higher time frame breaker block that I see, and then it just looks like volume has died out within that general area multiple times.
yeah,
I mean, 1040 could be a clear push as well, but if we don't reach 1070, that is.
yeah. Well, I hope if we do get to this 1040, 1050, we consolidate right there
Yeah,
on the upside,
yeah,
rather than push straight through. I mean, hey, it doesn't matter. I mean, if it does, it does. But at least, like, if we're going to consolidate in this range here on the upside, and then push through. That would be best for the stock. My thesis on it, but we'll see.
We'll have to see how it goes. We'll have to see. I'll be watching it too.
No,
It looks like it moves when it does, but it's just getting a good entry is all.
what we got? Open. Okay. All right. I'll be right back.
GMH curling up. Think it might go to that 755 level.
You have a good doctor's appointment yesterday?
Yeah, everything went well.
Was it a long drive?
Oh yeah, very long.
You guys did you go with someone?
Yeah, with my mom.
Do you guys like switch out driving here and there?
Yeah, she drives out, I drive back.
Good.
Yep.
I think the longest I went for a doctor's appointment, like I think it was a 6-7 hour drive for a doctor's appointment, and the doctor's appointment only lasted for about 15 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes.
Could be one of those virtual appointments.
Yeah, I try and do telehealth anytime I can.
Yeah. Yep. I don't want to move.
My next assessment. I don't know. I need to get my strategy solidified. I'm doing okay with it, but there's still so much with it that I need to learn and practice. So we'll see. Uh, I was planning for 2 months of paper trading before doing another eval, but I don't know. Think think I'll play it by ear, but we're a little over halfway through the month, so another month and a half, and then I'll reevaluate. luck. AGMH is just failing. Oh, now it bounced back.
MGI8 would be interesting. But yeah, I see what you mean, Eddie.
I don't know what it's doing. I'm so confused.
It's that it's that what we've talked about before. Were you in it? If you were in it long, there was some profit taking.
No, I wasn't in it, but
Oh, okay.
I was wondering what that candle was. Because it flushed right down.
Mr. Fool, you look. Well, Zeus didn't go how we thought, did it?
Oh, Zeus fell too.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. WLDS. Ah, okay, interesting between these two. Oh, look at MGIH. Oh, well. How's Open doing, Parker? I'm just looking at the figures. Has it not done anything at the Open? Open at the Open?
Stepped away.
Oh, is he? Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, damn. Open looks weak right here. Jeez. 37. Yeah. First 15 minutes. Let's see. Popped up to 1028 and still we couldn't hold yesterday's um red green. Or the day before's red green. We couldn't hold it. 30. I got taken out on open.
Yeah, it looks difficult again.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, Parker.
No, that's fine. I mean, I
Mm.
mean, it was either it was gonna go up or go down, and I mean we're still in this range, so it's not to say I'm gonna sit here and hold my breath for dear life to for it to go long, but um, it's just that level right there from yesterday got taken out. So, and that's early, so that's a sign of good weakness, but you never know, it may come back, and if not, oh well.
Yeah, well, it could, it could, like you say, it could do anything today, couldn't it? So,
Yeah.
yeah, let's see what happens.
Good morning.
Hey, good
Morning.
morning, Yes.
Good
Are
morning.
you sleeping? You are very late.
Nah, I was trading.
Oh,
AGMH.
yeah.
Super. Super,
Oh,
super,
good.
super.
Well done.
But it's behaving nicely. That's all. I didn't make a ton off of it, but it's just behaving nicely. I think when it turns around, it's just going to shoot up. If you look at like it's past, it's been up to, I don't know, like $15 before. So, and I got my Bugs Bunny cartoons on, so I'm pretty happy. I like that little YouTube, window that they got on the side there.
On the TTP platform.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I actually got the YouTube Premium because watching all them stock videos and everything, the commercials are driving me nuts.
Yeah.
So I got rid of the ads. I did it today, and I'm like so happy.
Yeah. It's
Oh, yeah.
definitely
It's the
useful.
one thing. Yeah, yeah. YouTube Premium. It's the one thing I'll never give up. I'll give up
No,
food or I give
so the
that
ads, the
up.
ads used to pop up less often, and now they just pop up so often. I mean, it's noticeable to me.
Sometimes the ads in videos are put there by the YouTube channel themselves, so it's like within their video. And other times they're automated, and YouTube try to um, they show them as it depends on how many ads you've seen recently and that type of thing. But some YouTubers insert a whole load of ads themselves, like oh, what's that newish podcast trading podcast channel called? Words
Traders
of
TV.
Wisdom. No, Words of Wisdom. I mean, gosh, they have so many ads in theirs, and they're not by YouTube. They're his adverts. So you're still stuck with those.
So on their channels, they can take in advertisements on their channel and get paid for them.
Yeah, because some
They're
companies are
affiliates, right? They're affiliated or something.
yeah, some of these companies that pay them to advertise will ask them to actually insert the adverts in their videos. So those are actually part of the video, if you will. So you're still going to see those as opposed to the automated ones that YouTube put on. But mostly the ones you're talking about, they're the ones that YouTube insert. So you'll see a whole lot less adverts. But yeah, when I watch Words of Wisdom, for example, I just have to click through those adverts because he does have far too many in there. I mean, I get why, but there's plenty of them and they're pretty long as well. So I dread to think what it would be like watching their channel without YouTube Premium with all the YouTube ads as well. Good morning, Vivian. Didn't see you there.
Just
How you
joined.
doing?
Morning,
Oh, okay. Good morning. Good day. Well, very quiet. How's it going, everyone?
Hold my
Good.
breath again. Looking at Joby. Joby's like shooting up, but it's slow, but it's just trending up.
See, you keep muting your microphone when you stop speaking today.
Every time I was thinking a thought, I was looking down at my microphone.
If you were, yeah, just in case you say it out loud.
is it me or does every other stock is just going nuts, like higher?
It's that time of the year.
Well, the three that I'm watching, only one of the three is really juicing.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Come on, Pop. We need a bit more than that.
Are you in the coffee shop?
What's the one that you're watching that's juicy, Eddie?
QUBT.
Quantum.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So is Rigetti, RGTI.
Or GTI on my scanner.
How much is it up, Vivian?
About 7.5%.
Are you using Taquito scanner, Eddie? I'm not sure what the filter is for
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
So it doesn't show like if they only if they go up a certain percentage.
Well, I'm not actually sure what the filter is, but I'm maybe guess if I scroll down, I don't see anything. Oh, hang on, I'm on activity there. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I don't see anything less than 10%. So maybe it doesn't show anything less than 10%.
What are you guys looking at with
Gobi and
AGMH.
NUKK.
any trades so far this morning?
Gobi
Yup.
short.
Chin AGMH
There we go.
and QUBT. I have taken 3 trades today. 2 were losses, 1 was a winner.
Wow.
I have an older level on QUBT around 21.25. It seems to be going down there now.
Yeah, I got a level at 2142, 43.
Okay. Yeah. I wonder if it's a retest, and that looks interesting. Anyone watching Palantir?
Watching what?
I watch it
Palantir?
in my Roth IRA. I haven't checked it today though. What's it doing?
Up, 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 up.
Nice.
Have you got a position in PLT already?
In my IRA, I do.
Okay, nice.
just got filled on my remaining NVIDIA position. Nice.
All right, chat. Well, we had a good day. We are up.
QUBT is bouncing off the level. You think
By
we're going long?
possibly if I do, it would be a target of 2250.
Right, just under the day high.
Yeah. But I think I'm done for the day. Not really seeing anything that's really interesting me. So, chat. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh, we're up a little bit. 3 trades, 2 losses, 1 win. Starting to get more comfortable with these supply and demand zones. So, anyways, we will see y'all Monday. Monday. All right. Have a good day, chat. Good luck on your trades. We will see you later.